So kung naghahanap kayo ng medyo challenging na NFT game, panoorin nyo tong video na to. Hey guys, this is BM, and bago pa lang kayo sa mga social media pages natin, mag-follow and subscribe na kayo para lagi kayong updated sa mga panibago nating uploads regarding this game. Let's go! So, welcome back mga tol, no? So today, pag-usapan natin ngayon itong bagong NFT game na nakita ko, which is si Fifth Kingdom. So, wag na natin to patagalin at simulan na natin to. So, paano nga ba mag-sign up dito sa NFT game na to? So, the first thing that you need to do is to visit their website na nasa description natin, which is fifthkingdom.com. And then once you visited it, makikita nyo yung Connect Wallet section sa may top right corner ng website. So, pag clinic nyo yung Connect Wallet, you have multiple ways on how you can log in. So, pwedeng Google, pwedeng email, pwedeng SMS, pwedeng other socials like X and also Spotify or even Discord, pwede din. And pwede rin mag-connect ng MetaMask wallet. So, nasa sa inyo na lang kung ano yung gagamitin nyo dyan. Okay? Now, once you sign up using those methods, it would ask you for like an accept terms and agreements about the game. So, click nyo lang yung yes or i-accept nyo lang siya. So, after you've done doing that, then you're already good to go. You're already signed up. Okay? Number 2 is paano i-set up yung nickname nyo dito. So, the thing that you have to do here is to go to the citizenship button na nasa menu, guys. So, pag click nyo yung citizenship button, the next page that you will see kung hindi pa nakakonect yung wallet nyo is to connect your wallet. So, once you connected your wallet, you will see this section wherein it would ask you to provide your username and also it would ask you to select a kingdom. So, there are 4 kingdoms here. Ang pinili kong kingdom dito is yung Albion kasi syempre Albion player tayo. And then, once you're done doing it, you just have to hit on save. So, pag na-save nyo na siya, automatic yun guys that you already selected your kingdom. Alright? So, number 3 is yung daily task. Now, ano nga ba yung daily task dito? So, usually, ang pinaka-main priority nyo lang naman is tapusin yung mga daily task na makikita nyo dito sa screen, guys. So, eto, usually, kapag nilalaro nyo yung game, masasanay na kayong tapusin yung mga daily task na yan. Kasi, kumbaga, if you will be able to learn how to somehow play the game, it will be a lot more easier for you to get the Ember tokens. Now, itong Ember na to, yung parang utility token nila in the game that will be used mainly for the fund section. So, itong fund section, makakakita kayo dito ng crowdfunding wherein you just have to deposit the Ember that you have. And then, of course, once it's already filled, I'm pretty sure that it's like a staking or a yielding type of game wherein makakakuha kayo dito ng yield percentage. Okay? So, ganun siya nag-work. So, basically, the way it works is kapag nilalaro nyo yung game at talagang natatapos nyo yung task, mas marami kayong Ember na makukuha. Kumbaga, challenging din siya kasi progressive yung daily task dito. Kung mapapansin nyo dito, you won't be able to finish it like right away. Kailangan yung aralin yung game at kailangan yung ma-master on how it really works para at least matapos nyo even the legendary quest. Okay? So, meron dyan legendary task na kailangan yung tapusin, guys. So, basically, yun lang naman pagdating sa daily task. Okay? Dito lang kayo makakakuha ng Ember. Then, last but not the least, itong actual gameplay niya. Okay? So, yung actual gameplay nito, guys, parang backwoods, pero mas wider lang yung map niya. Okay? All you just need to do is to collect the experience, and every time that you are leveling up, you will be able to unlock multiple skills that you can actually use to somehow clear these stages. Now, be mindful of the skills that you select kasi minsan kapag mali yung skills na sineselect nyo, hindi kayo magtatagal sa endgame. But anyway guys, panoorin nyo na lang din tong clips ng gameplay natin, no? Para at least magkaroon kayo ng idea on how it works. And if you do have any other questions, guys, feel free to comment down below. We're always here to help you out. And again, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this one and I hope you learned something. By the way, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel natin, again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And mag-follow na rin kayo sa ating Facebook page. Yun lang, this is BM again, and alam niyo na, peace out.